Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Charge the remote above 50% or insert fresh batteries so signals are stable. Turn on the device you'll control and enable its Wi-Fi or pairing mode from settings. This creates a visible target. Once done, hold the remote within 3 to 10 feet of the device to prevent signal drop. Press and hold the remote's power or pair button for 2 to 5 seconds. You're initiating the link so the device can detect the remote. You now perform the middle steps to establish a stable connection. Open the device's Wi-Fi or accessory pairing menu and start scanning. The remote should appear as its model name. When you see the name, select it so both ends exchange handshake data. Make sure the remote displays the same identifier or a pairing prompt, and then enter the PIN if required. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry after rebooting. Finish by verifying control and handling a common issue. You should test basic commands like power, navigation, and volume immediately. Make sure responses are timely to confirm a good link. If commands lag or fail, power cycle both the remote and the target device, then retry pairing. This clears transient Wi-Fi interference. If problems persist, reset the remote to factory settings and pair again. This removes corrupt profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: check for competing Wi-Fi devices operating on the same channel and move them away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.